Hi everyone, welcome to PHARMA Overview. I know writing a resume is not an easy task, no matter what the job you are applying for. In this video, I will explain how to make an attractive resume and make the resume stand out with some tricks and tips. What the employer is looking in a resume. First of all, there is no certified format for a resume. The employer maximum takes 6 seconds to look at the resume. If the profile is not appealing, they will skip the resume very fast. For that, the resume should be short, concise, and crisp. So, how to format a resume? For that, pick a best resume format and keep your resume under one page limit. And the ideal words for the resume is 475 to 600, and for CV it's maximum 1500 words. And the commonly used font in a resume is Times New Roman or Georgia, and the size is 10.5 to 12. And next is the name. You can write your name in detail and the professional title also included. And about the contact information, you can use your email ID, phone number, and if you have the LinkedIn, you can include the LinkedIn profile and also the Skype ID, because overseas normally contact the person and interview through Skype ID. And there is no need to mention the date of birth, marital status, or religious affiliations, or even the photo. And about the experience individuals, you can mention your experience, then then only you can write the education. First experience. In experience, you can write your latest job first, and then rest of jobs in the reverse chronological order. And for each job, you can write the company name, job role, and also the time period. And instead of listing the duties, you can specific your accomplishments or achievements in each job. And next about the education. For experienced individuals, you can mention only the education in a short form. You can mention your last degree, its time period, CGPA, or coursework details. And about the skills, you can mention your language skills and rate the language using your proficiencies. And also you can include your technical skills, leadership skills, and management skills. And fill your resume with some keywords, and these keywords should match with the description of the job description of the employer. And as an additional section, you can include awards or honors, certifications, or publications, number of publications, or number of patents. And in case of freshers or students or entry level jobs, for that resumes, you can mention the education first, then only the experience. For education, you can mention your latest degree, then up to the 10th in a reverse chronological order. And for experience, mostly these students and freshers don't have any experiences, so they can mention their mini projects or their publications during their curriculum, or their part-time jobs, or industrial experiences, or pharmacy experiences. And as an additional section, they can include the exam scores, GPAT scores, college fest achievements, and also the paper publication achievements. Here are some tips to make your resume competitive. First is, resume should not be too lengthy, maximum 1 or 2 pages. And the words in a resume should not be repetitive. And don't add fluffy things in the resume to make it bulk. And must proofread the resume to avoid any grammatical errors or incorrect pronouns. And also remove the buzzwords or cliche words from the resume. And you can use the keywords, and maximum 40 to 43 keywords can be used in a resume, and it should match with the job description. And No need to write the objective or summary in a resume because it doesn't make much sense. And the last point is don't highlight the words in the resume. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you have any suggestions, do comment under this video. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe and press the bell icon to get further videos. Thank you for watching Pharma Overview. Bye.